Thank you so much for tapping my video. I hope you all guys in a good condition. My name is Rani Puja Savitri. I'm a college student of Mathematics Education from Sebelas Maret University. Today, I will share about fraction. So, what is a fraction? Let's get it. Fraction is a mathematical term that has the form is A divided by B, where the B is not equal to 0, A is a numerator and B is a denominator. There are three types of fraction that are common fraction, decimal, and mixed fraction. The first is common fraction. A common fraction is a fraction that only consists of a numerator and a denominator, where the numerator is less than the denominator and both are integers. To pronounce common fraction, we can say a half or 1/2, a third or 1/3, a quarter or 1/4, and 3/5, 3/5 or 3 divided by 5. Second is decimal. A decimal fraction is a number that always marked by a point. Decimal can be obtained by dividing a numerator and denominator of a fraction. To pronounce decimal, we can say 1.5, 12.7, 67.32, 30.506, or 30.506, or 30.506. So the number before point we pronounce as usual, and the numbers after point we pronounce one by one. 0 we can pronounce as 0, not or O. Third is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction are numbers with the form is A, B over C. A is a integers and B over C is a common fraction. To pronounce mixed fraction, we can say 6 and 4/5, 2 and 1/4, or 2 and a quarter, 7 and 2/9. Next is how to simplifying fraction. For example, how to simplify the fraction 6/24. The first step is write the factors of numerator and denominator. The factors of 6 is 1, 2, 3, and 6. And the factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. The second step is determine the common factors of numerator and denominator. The common factors of 6 and 24 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The last step is divide the numerator and denominator by the common factors until they have no common factors except 1. We can divide the numerator and denominator by the biggest factors. The biggest factors of 6 and 24 is 6. So the numerator is divided by 6 and the numerator is divided by 6 too. We get 1 over 4. So the simplest form of fractions 6 over 24 is 1 over 4 or a quarter. Next is comparing fraction. Comparing fraction means determining the larger and the smaller fractions between any two or more fractions. For example, how to compare fraction a half and 3 over 5. First step is observe the denominator of the given fractions. 2 and 5 are different, so let us find the LCM of 2 and 5. The multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and the multiples of 5 is 5, 10, 15. So we get the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. The second step is convert them in such a way that the denominators become 10. First is a half. To get 10, we should multiply 2 with 5. So we multiply the numerator with 5 too. We get 5 over 10. And the next is 3 over 5. To get 10, we should multiply the 5 with 2. So the numerator is multiplied by 2 too. We get 6. The third step is compare the fractions. 5 over 10 and 6 over 10. Since the denominators are same, we will compare the numerator. We can see that 5 is less than 6. So we get 5 over 10 is less than 6 over 10. Therefore, a half is less than 3 over 5. We can also compare fraction with cross multiplication. First, we should multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of second fraction. Second, we should multiply the the numerator of the second fraction with the denominator of the first fraction. We get 5 and 6. Now compare 5 and 6. Since 5 is less than 6, so we get a half is less than 3 over 5. Next is adding and subtracting fraction. For the example, we use this fraction. The first step is make the numerator the same. We know the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So, forget 10. We should multiply the first fraction with 5. And we should multiply the second fraction with 2. Step 2. Add or subtract the numerators, keeping the denominator the same. For the example, is adding, so we get 5 plus 6 is 11, and we keep the denominator. Application fraction. In real life, we always need fraction. For the example is slice of pizza, eating at a restaurant, shopping, following outside, medical prescription, and others. That's all from me. I am sorry if there are any mistakes. I hope you guys stay happy and healthy. Thank you.